Welcome to 4BA show at Lake Plaza in Bedford, Lekki, Lagos. As you can see here, we supply surveillance systems. We do access control, metal detectors, smart home gadgets. We also supply solar energy, solar panel. Okay, so as you can see there, we have a clock, a wall clock. It seems to be just like an ordinary wall clock, but this wall clock has an hidden camera on it. It's really nice for someone that is looking for a hidden camera. So this is where we are at Lekki Plaza. Okay, these are environment, as you can see. So welcome, thank you again. Today I'm going to do a product review of one of our products. Okay, we have the AHD NVR Wi-Fi video recorder. So this NVR, it comes with a wireless NVR and also a 4 camera. It has a mic, comes with a mount, a friendly user interface, a mouse, motion detector, an SSD and hard drive for long-term recording. So you can see. So here are the cameras. Okay. Here are the cameras. Comes with 4 of these cameras. Hold on, sorry. For this type of cameras. Okay, basically this camera. Okay, so today we are going to do a review of this camera to see how it works. So let's begin. It comes with this camera, 4 of this camera. Okay, a wireless camera, and also this is the NVR, the wireless NVR. So, and each of the camera comes with a 12-volt adapter, as you can see. So I'm going to plug each of these cameras to different location. So I'm going to plug this one here. Okay. This one. So I'm going to plug this one here. Okay. And I'm going to plug another one here. Which is the 3rd one, and the 4th one. Okay. Cameras. The next step is to power your NVR. So with the 12 volts, I'm going to power my NVR. This is NVR. So connect. These are NVR. So the next step is to let's connect the Wi-Fi. And remember, this is a Wi-Fi NVR and this is a Wi-Fi camera. So we don't need a network cables to connect it to the network. So what we do is we come here, we add we refresh to search for the cameras, before the cameras. Okay, here they are. Okay, I think I'm seeing only 3, so I have to refresh again. camera is not showing yet. The first one is off. Okay, we have the first camera, the second, the third, so they are all showing on the Wi-Fi. They are all connected based on Wi-Fi. So the next step is to click on auto add to add all the cameras. So as I mentioned before, is the Wi-Fi, NVR and cameras, they don't need a network cables. You just have to, all you have to do is just to power it up, power the NVR, power the camera and connect them. As far as they are on the same network, on the same Wi-Fi, it's going to show up. So I click on auto add to add the 4 cameras and click on yes. Okay, so it's going to search for the IP of the cameras in order to add them up. So here they are, still updating. Okay, they are all connected. So I click on OK, and here we are. You can see where I placed the different location. This one is close to me here, so I'm going to move it around so you can see they are connected and they don't need any network cables. They are connected. You can see our shop. So thank you all for watching. We hope you come visit us at Lake Plaza, 20 Ballard Street. Don't forget shop 8, Lake Plaza, Wherefore. Thank you for watching. Watch out for our next video on our product review. Thank you. Yeah.